Welcome to ChopChopChef, and today I would love to do with you my version of a beautiful pasta salad. You like that? Here we go, stay tuned. Okay, for my pasta salad we have obviously a special calabrese pasta here. Then we have rocket salad. Then we have parmesan on a block, roasted pine nuts. Yeah. Then we have little tiny tomato, nice and colorful, beautiful. The asparagus, I peeled some of the stem, but the tip, I let as it is, right? Asparagus, and obviously I made the rocket pesto, which you as well find on my YouTube channel already. Yeah. So what we're doing today, first of all, for the tiny tomatoes, one thing is I actually give them a little bit of a twist before later on I mix them in a salad, and I have a thick caramel glaze, right? So this is caramelized balsamic with a little bit of a thick puree, and then this one with sugar gets reduced. Of course, we always need a good dash of a good olive oil. We're mixing that and just letting this one do the thing in terms of soaking in a little bit. When I mix up rocket lettuce in my pasta, I do not like to have these long leaves, you know, how to eat. So this one I just chop 1 or 2 times, yeah, which I show you as well. I mean, there's nothing to show, yeah, too much, but let's get this chopping board over here very quickly. So what I do is, when I have my rocket, I just give it more or less sort of 2, 1, or maybe 2 and 3. And so now, when it goes onto the fork or in your mouth, it's much more easy to eat, right? So we're putting this one back in a bowl, and now on our chopping board, we're taking the asparagus, right? Now for the asparagus, say give and take 2, 4, 6 or 5, 6 we keep some spares, we keep whole later on for the presentation, which I'll show you. And then the stems we cut as well in medium chunky pieces until we're coming to the tip, right? We want to keep them whole. Yeah, so of course, all right? So we have this one as well. Put that on the side. How easy that is, hey? Okay. Simple, simple, simple. Now we're putting the chopping board on the side. And we bring our mixing bowl into the picture. All right. Okay, here we have the mixing bowl. Very simple. We're putting our well-cooked pasta in here, right? Yeah, here we go. And everything goes more or less in, right? Our tiny tomatoes, look at them, yeah? They're nice, sort of glazed now with this thick vinegar, yeah? Caramelized balsamic. Yeah, we're putting them all as well in, no problem. Then we're putting probably only half of the rocket, yeah? And then our roasted pine nuts, they can go all in. Obviously, as we all know, right, pine nuts is a base of the rocket pesto. And then our chopped asparagus goes in here. So this one as well. Yeah. And now, of course, comes our rocket pesto. Yeah. And when you put the pesto in, don't put too much on the beginning, right? Just because you want the pasta only slightly coated but not drenched. We here already, we can put a little bit cracked pepper on before we start mixing. Yeah. And a little bit of cracked salt. Here we go. And now we're gently mixing this all nice together. Obviously that the pesto gets nicely coated, the pesto coats nicely the pasta. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we got that one. Obviously, we have to give it a taste. Yeah? We have to make sure it's all good. Magic. So nice. Okay. Next thing comes presentation. Okay. We're having a bowl here. Well, you can use anything you like. What I do is now, I first put a nice, decent portion of my beautiful pasta mixture into this bowl, like that. And you can recall, I kept the asparagus this whole ones. Now there's a reason for it. Yeah, because now with the asparagus sits nicely on here, later on for decoration. Beautiful. Okay, and we continue piling a little bit more pasta on top of here. All right, so we got this one sorted, this one sorted. Now next is we're putting a little bit more of our, just a tiny, for the rocket here, like that. Okay, next, a little bit of our extra virgin olive oil. Just drizzle a little bit over it. And now, of course, what comes next? It's a pasta salad. We need Parmesan cheese, right? So what we do is, obviously we putting a little bit of a block Parmesan in our Parmesan grater. Shoop. And then the magic will be revealed. Coming out here. Obviously, with this one, you press this gently down here. You take the wheel and then it grates the Parmesan nicely. Beautiful, look at this. Oh, so nice. And this is obviously very important to do because this needs definitely. So like this, look at this, so nice. Yeah, I mean, yes, if you want, you can even put a little bit more like that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, wasn't that simple and easy? A nice pasta salad with tiny tomato and rocket pesto and green asparagus spares. Yes, thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef, and I hope I see you next time again. All right? Thank you.